Good morning, children. Children, tomorrow is 11th December, and 11th December is marked as UNICEF Day. Now, children, I know you would like to know what is UNICEF. Children, UNICEF is an organization that works for the most vulnerable and disadvantaged children and adolescents. UNICEF acronym stands for U for United, N for Nations, I for International, C for Children's, E for Emergency, and F for Fund. UNICEF was formed on 11th December in 1946 in New York. Children, UNICEF was formed to give emergency aid to the World War II victim children and their families. Its headquarters is at New York City. The headquarters of UNICEF is at New York City. Children, this is the logo of UNICEF. UNICEF is one of the world's leading organizations. UNICEF works in over 190 countries and territories to protect the rights of every child. UNICEF works around the world to save children's lives, to defend the rights of children, to improve their health, to provide nutritional diet to the children, to work for the general welfare of children, to provide quality education to the children. Now, children, the question arises, from where do UNICEF gets funds? UNICEF receives money from the governments of different countries and also from some private persons. UNICEF partnership with India began in the year 1949. Its first office was established in New Delhi in the year 1952. UNICEF works in 17 states of India with more than 400 staff members. UNICEF has been very active in India in the past many years. Most of its work in the country is by partnering with the government in implementation of various government schemes. Within 10 years, India had 13 UNICEF-assisted milk processing plants. Children, you know that today India has become the world's largest producer of milk, and we can give its credit to UNICEF. National Malaria Eradication Program was launched by the Government of India with the assistance of UNICEF. Children, when we were struggling with COVID-19, UNICEF stood firm and continued to support the Government of India to provide essential nutrition healthcare service to children across India. Children, UNICEF made it sure that the hospitals across India received oxygen concentration and airports got thermal scanner. UNICEF has supplied COVID-19 testing machines. As we all know, COVID-19 vaccine have to be carefully packed in cold temperature to ensure that they remain effective. UNICEF has procured and supplied walk-in freezers, deep freezers, cold boxes, voltage stabilizers to store Covaxin and Covishield. UNICEF became a key partner of Government of India in supporting the world's largest rural water supply program. Children, in 2001, when earthquake hit Gujarat, nearly 3 million children were directly affected. 12,000 schools were damaged. UNICEF supported the efforts to revitalize the education system in Gujarat. The Government of India, in partnership with UNICEF, provided polio dose to all the children under 5. Children, polio cases in India were recorded 559 in 2008, which reduced to 0 cases in 2012. Children, as we have already seen, UNICEF focuses on providing medicines, equipments, and nutrition balanced diet from local market. Even gives training to the people engaged in childcare projects, in sanitation, in water supply, in health and family planning, and especially in the field of science and technology. UNICEF's priority in India is children of the age group 0 to 5 years. UNICEF ensures that their mothers have access to nutritional diet. UNICEF focus on the most vulnerable areas like slums, backward remote areas, drought hit areas, and flood prone areas. India is among the top donors to UNICEF. The goal of UNICEF: every child should survive and thrive. Every child should be protected from violence and exploitation. Every child should live in a safe and clean environment. Every child has an equitable chance in life. The 5 core values of UNICEF are care, respect, integrity, trust, and accountability. Children, we should have respect for such organizations which are working tirelessly to help children and their families. Now, the thought of the day. Sometimes it takes only one act of kindness and care to change a person's life. I repeat, sometimes it takes only one act of kindness and care to change a person's life. Children, kindness is not a two-way business. As old saying goes, do good and throw it in the sea. It means forget the good that you have done and just move on. Don't expect anything in return. Children, if you expect anything in return, it ceases to be a kind act. It is also true that good deed never goes unrewarded.